The Congress leadership in Kerala has said all party workers and UDF members will accept whatever decision the party high command takes on the next chief minister of the state. Senior Congress leader Ramesh Chennithalla made the statement on May 11 after returning from New Delhi, where top party leaders held discussions on the leadership issue following the UDF's victory in the assembly elections. He said party leaders had conveyed their views to the High Command and the final decision now rests with the leadership. He added that the delay was part of a democratic process within the party. On May 9th, Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge and Rahul Gandhi held meetings with senior Kerala leaders including V.D. Satishan, K.C. Venugopal, Ramesh Chennithalla, KPCC Chief Sunny Joseph, and AICC in charge Deepa Tasmunsi. The leaders later appealed to party workers to avoid protests and flex campaigns over the chief ministerial issue. Senior leader K. Muralidharan also said every Congress worker was duty-bound to accept the decision of the leadership. He added that internal discussions had not overshadowed the UDF's election victory. The Congress won 63 seats in the assembly elections and the newly elected MLAs passed a resolution authorizing Mallikarjun Kharge to take the final call on the next chief minister. V.D. Satishan, K.C. Venugopal and Ramesh Chennithalla remain the frontrunners for the top post.